Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to knit this very easy crossed headband. So let's get started. And if you'd like to add this pretty knitted flower, I'll put the link at the end of this video. To make this easy headband, I'm working with worsted weight yarn and 6mm knitting needles. After you have your 12 stitches cast on, you're going to knit across the row. And you'll do that for every row. Knit every row. Okay, I have knit across the row, and every row is going to be exactly the same. And in order to have a nice straight edge along your headband, you're going to just slip this first stitch without working into it. So then knit across the remaining 11 stitches. In every row you will do that. You'll slip at that first stitch. So knit across the row. Turn, slip that first stitch without working into it, and then knit across the row. You're going to keep doing that until this long rectangle is going to be long enough to wrap around the head. And here's what that will look like. And you can see I have a nice straight edge, and that is achieved by slipping that first stitch. So when this is long enough to wrap around the head, like that, when it's long enough to wrap all the way around the head, you'll cast off. And to cast off, you simply knit the first stitch, knit the second stitch, pull the previous stitch over and off the needle. And you work all the way across the row, casting off each stitch. Okay, so then you're going to have this rectangle, and you're going to have a yarn end on each end. So thread the yarn end into a needle, and you're going to take the end and you're just going to sew the two corners together. So bring that over like this and sew these together. And after you take about 3 stitches, you can just weave your yarn end into the finished work. So that's what this end looks like. Now you're going to take the other end, thread the yarn end into a needle, and you're going to bring this corner, you're going to put it in this opening like that, and then you're going to sew these two corners together. And 2 or 3 stitches, and then weave the yarn end into the finished work. And there's your crossed headband. And if you'd like to add this pretty knitted flower, I'll put the link at the end of this video.